Again, it's an optional question. You're given certainly an equation, and they're asking you the set of points. Well, the set of points would be x, y. And certainly we're not looking for you to plot the points. We're looking for you to get through this and determine if you were to plot all the points, would it be a line, would it be a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or some branch of the hyperbola. But before I move forward, I want to point out the domain of this, right? For the x values, let's just talk about the x values, and that's not the domain of it. The x values of this over here could be any real number. Now, why is that? Just look at, you're squaring these things, you're taking a square root of it, you're squaring the y's as well. So I'm going to say the x and the y's can be all real numbers, all right? So what I would do here is probably just square both sides, all right? And if you did that, you get something pretty simple. And what do you get? This is not a trouble at all, by the way. You get this over here. And then you get this on this side if you square both sides. Again, the radicands in both cases are positive numbers. I should say, maybe I shouldn't say positive, they're non-negative numbers, all right? So let's just square it out. What do you get? X squared. Let's see, plus 6x, plus 9, plus y squared, minus 4y, plus 4, equals x squared, minus 6x, plus 9, plus y squared. Well, a couple things I want to do here is just, I realize I can subtract x squared from both sides, and that looks relatively simple. It just disappears. I could also subtract y squared from both sides. Relatively simple, that disappears. I could subtract 9 from both sides. Relatively simple, that disappears. All right? Now, what I'm going to do now is just try to figure this out, though. So I'm going to look at the x's in the problem. I got this, I got this. What would I get there? I would get 12x, right? These things are taken care of. The next step I see minus 4y. And what else do I see? I see a plus 4. And that equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. What do we get? We get 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. You would get 3x plus 1 equals y, which is an equation of a line. What's the correct answer? A is correct answer. Let me just briefly go through the work for you. The work is over here, me doing what I said I was going to do. It basically comes down to this over here. So again, the correct choice is A. Thank you.